barely even clicked on. Dash lights are on, or the gauge lights, and then my parking lights are on. Tail lights are on. But if I pull it out to actually the first little stop, all that stuff goes off. Everything. Tail lights, everything. And then if I pull the headlights on, the headlights come on, but everything else still stays off. I don't know what's going on. So basically, if I pull it out just a little bitty bit, I have to mess with it a little bit, but there, you can see my dash lights are on and the parking lights and everything on, but everything else goes off if I actually try to turn the lights on. So I don't know what's going on.